Hi friends, I am going to teach you how to clear dandruff from scalp with 6 proven remedies permanently at home that works for all men, women, teenager and kids. But before that, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so you will never miss my new upcoming unique videos. And like this video by hitting like button below this video. So let's start. First we should know the symptoms of dandruff. Symptoms of dandruff includes dry scalp, oily skin and scalp, itchiness in dry scalp, growth of fungus and bacteria in scalp. There are many herbal home remedies available in our kitchen that can clear dandruff easily and permanently. So, let's get rid of dandruff with just your kitchen ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, garlic, salt, lemon, baking soda, coconut oil. Home remedy number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties which can help to remove dandruff-causing fungi from the scalp. Also, apple cider vinegar helps to maintain pH, acidity or alkalinity of water soluble of your scalp. Apple cider vinegar has also antibacterial properties which prevents reoccurring of dandruff. So let me tell you how to use home remedy apple cider vinegar to clear dandruff. For that, take a half of cup water with half cup apple cider vinegar. Spray apple cider vinegar in your scalp. Now cover your head with a towel for 20 minutes. Then do regular wash and do this twice a week. Home remedy number 2. Garlic. Crushed garlic is highly concentrated source of allicin, and this allicin is strongest compound to fight with fungus and candida. Garlic increases blood circulation in the scalp and regulates sebum production. Crushed garlic contains sulfur which can help prevent itchiness caused by dandruff. To take an advantage of home remedy garlic to remove dandruff, get crushed garlic and massage with crushed garlic to your scalp for 10 minutes. Then do regular hair wash. To avoid garlic smell, you can mix crushed garlic with honey and massage for 8 to 10 minutes to your scalp. Then do regular hair wash. Do twice a week. Home remedy number 3. Salt. The ordinary salt that we use in our kitchen works great for removing dandruff. Salt removes rigorous dirt from your scalp and exfoliates scalp to reduce dandruff. Salt absorbs extra moisture and excess oil, thus prevent growth of fungus. To take an advantage of home remedy salt to remove dandruff, get warm water and add 5 tablespoons of salt in water. Now rinse your hair with the salt water and massage the scalp for 5 to 7 minutes. Then do regular hair wash. Do twice a week for best result. Home remedy number 4. Lemon to remove dandruff. Lemon is acidic in nature which can help to maintain pH of your scalp. Lemon has antioxidant, antibiotics and antifungal properties can reduce dandruff very quickly and very effectively. Lemon juice provide moisture to treat dryness of your scalp. So how to take an advantage of home remedy lemon to clear dandruff? Take 3 tablespoons lemon juice and spray into your scalp. Then mix 2 teaspoons lemon juice into 2 cup water and rinse your hair with lemon juice water. Repeat this process daily until dandruff disappears. Home remedy number 5. Baking soda for dandruff. Natural cleansing agent baking soda has very active ingredient to kill the fungus to your scalp. Baking soda removes dead skin, and as baking soda is alkaline in nature, help to maintain pH of your scalp. Baking soda helps to remove an excess oil from your scalp. So, how to use home remedy baking soda to clear dandruff? Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a glass of water. Rinse your hair with baking soda mixer and do hair massage for 5 to 7 minutes. Then do regular hair wash. Do twice a week. Home remedy number 6. Coconut oil for dandruff. Coconut oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, which provide excellent moistures and nourishment to the scalp. Coconut oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties which fights against fungus and bacteria of your scalp. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory property which relieves from itchiness due to dandruff. So how to use coconut oil to clear dandruff? Take some coconut oil and mix juice of half of lemon in it. Rub this mixture on your scalp and massage for a few minutes. Leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then do regular hair washing. Follow this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Friend, this was all about how to clear dandruff with 6 proven remedies at home. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, and share or forward this video to your friends and relatives. If you have any question suggestion, please write in the comment below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe so you will never miss my new upcoming unique videos. Thanks for watching.